Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Heart Health 4. Prevention. The #1 way to prevent having heart disease. Don't have a heart. Literally, Bending Rodriguez got no heart disease because he's a freaking robot. 2. Pick your parents better. Don't pick parents that are going to give you hereditary disposition to heart disease. 3. Smoking. Now there we can talk. Stop freaking smoking, idiot. It's going to kill you. Chew the Nicorette. You'll get the same taste as those nasty things you're lighting up. Yeah. And they won't give you lung cancer. Yeah. Specifically, now, I have no right to say this, but Stan Zinkowski, stop freaking smoking, man. I know I have no right to say this to you, but out of pure selfishness, how are you and me going to get to be good friends and drinking buddies after work, you know, slamming the Coors Lights, if you die of heart disease or lung cancer? So, for me, stop smoking, man. Okay? You'll be happier when you live longer. Trust me. And you people out there think you got that electronic cigarette and it's also safe? No. Nicotine is poison. Yeah. It's a deadly poison. Weight. Are you fat? I mean, seriously, are you fat? Well, that's putting a burden on your heart, and it's probably also filling your coronary arteries with plaque. Diet. Trust me. Cut down on everything but the ice water. Black coffee, if you're a cardiologist, will let you have it. I'm not going to say anything about exercise. I cannot. I can't recommend it because I never pursued it. I mean, if I wanted to get my muscles all achy and get sweaty, I'd go to work. But, you know, a little bit of running, jogging, walking. Wish I could still do a bunch of that. Not more. 4 steps. 4 steps I can get out of breath. Today, while I was at St. Helena Hospital having a nuclear stress test, well, actually, they did a nuclear scan and a adenosine stress. I mean, the tech was basically just about holding me up. Oh. And if you can't prevent, get yourself a really good cardiologist and do whatever he or she says. If he or she says, give me blood, get scanned, stop eating, stop smoking, give, do, don't do. I mean, it's your life. Hopefully, in Heart Health 5, I can show you some technology. If I can sweet talk my cardiologist and the hospital and showing off the goodies. Anyway, good night. Stop smoking, go on a diet, exercise a little more.